Too often, we are told that our feelings are wrong. I knew I grew up being told that our feelings were wrong. You know, it was wrong to feel this way or that way, and also being angry was wrong. And a lot of people think that anger is wrong. But I want you to think of it this way. There are no wrong emotions, no wrong medicines, no wrong teachings. Just good teachings, good medicines, good emotions used in wrong ways. Think about this. Your anger is a fire alarm. So if that fire alarm is going off, it's for one of three reasons. One, is somebody attacking your self-esteem? Is somebody putting you down? No? Okay. Is it the second reason? Is somebody challenging one of your values? Is somebody challenging what you hold strong and true? No? Okay. Then it's number 3. What need do you have that's not being met? Is it your need for safety, autonomy? Is your need to be respected? Is it your need to feel safe, loved, companionship? So if you are struggling with anger, or anger arises in you, ask yourself those 3 questions. Is a value being challenged? Is my self-esteem being challenged? Or is a need not being met? And then go from there. Work on it. Address it. Often anger is just the tip of the iceberg with a lot of other emotions underneath. But anger is not negative. Anger is the same thing as the fire alarm in your house. It lets you know something's going on. And you've got to ask yourself those 3 things, those 3 questions, to understand why that alarm is going off. So don't let somebody tell you that anger is wrong. Anger is good. Anger is an alarm. It's what you do with it and how you understand it that determines whether it's positive or negative.